It is time to create with Quimby. Give your loved ones and postal service workers a little something extra to look at when they're searching for your home. Our DIY extraordinaire showing us how to craft your very own house number flower box.
Yes, Shannon Quimby joining us now in studio to walk us through this project. Always great to see you again. Hello. Hey. I'm like Home Improvement. It's like Wilson across the fence.
No, that's right.
All right, this is really, really neat. Not only is it stylish, it's functional, it's easier to see, and look, you can plant flowers in it as well.
Pretty flowers in it. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, we're dressing up the address, boring address numbers.
Yeah, I love that. I love that.
And it's really easy. So all we're going to do is we're going to start. It's just 5 pieces and address numbers.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So while I'm talking about it, you guys can put some gloves on, and you can start planting the flower box.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first part is, and actually this is literally just one board. It's just 1 by 10. That's all it is, and cut all these pieces.
You just cut some pieces off.
That's right. So the first one is you want to cut it about, I would say about 3 feet long. That's this tall one right here. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can accommodate this to whatever size you want. You know, if you on your house, if you want to go smaller or larger, that's fine.
Gotcha.
Then the next is you're going to cut 4 smaller pieces. 2 sides, about 5.5 inches, and we got all these instructions. We can put this, you know, for the measurements right on this the guys' Facebook page. Yeah.
I feel really sorry for this flower. It's being in my care.
Squeeze it from the bottom.
We're squeezing from the bottom.
Squeeze it from the bottom.
And then we have a
front.
break up the roots a little bit.
And then we have a bottom. Okay. Yeah. And you just squeeze it. It's all right.
There you go.
So, so you cut those with the chop saw. Then obviously the key thing is you want to drill the bottom. You want to put some holes in it.
Right.
Okay. So because you want to have the plants drain, because if not, it's just going to rot out really quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So you just get a large drill bit, and you can, you know, it doesn't matter where you drill the holes, just in the center. Okay. Not on the sides.
Okay, yeah, good call, good call.
Yeah.
It's like a dice. It's like a 5 on a dice. That's what. There you go.
There you go.
Those are the terms I'm thinking.
So then you just basically want to glue everything together, and I've got this one here. It's easier if you get a clamp as you're gluing it.
Okay.
So you just, look, you can't even see me here. So, yeah, I'm going to squeeze in real tight.
Yeah, go for it.
But all the edges, you want to get some nice exterior wood glue, because this is going to be outside.
Okay.
And then clamp it together and let it dry. And then you want to reinforce it with some, and I'm going to turn this down here like this, so you'll see the clamp.
Okay.
And you'll want to reinforce it with nails, probably 1.5 inch or 2.5 inch nails. And you're just basically hammering on all the sides and the corners, and you can kind of see this in the front.
Right.
And then I just, you know, you can paint this, you guys. I always like to stain it. I like to get the richness of the wood. And here, Travis, if you want to.
Oh, sure.
So you got your gloves on.
I do. I have the gloves on.
Yeah.
And this is the same as you've already painted here.
Exactly. Yeah.
Where do you want me to start here?
Wherever you want. I don't care.
Oh,
Yeah.
this could be.
Yeah.
No lines for you to stay
No
inside.
lines. This is great. You can just go.
That's right. Yeah. This is a great Travis.
This is a good Travis DIY. There are no rules.
There are no rules. And so, you know, and you just maybe put, it only takes about 1 coat of the stain.
Okay.
And then before it was stained, you never want it to dry. You want it to let it sit for about, I would say about 10 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Before it gets tacky. And then you wipe off any of the excess.
Gotcha.
Got it?
Okay.
So once that's all done, then you just take your address numbers, and I got this, you can get them at any home improvement show.
Right.
And you just measure and mark, you know, the distance and screw
Throw
them in,
on
you
there.
guys.
Pop 'em
It's
on
really
there.
simple.
What made you think of this? Where did this idea come from?
Oh, well, I'm remodeling my house. It's called
Okay.
the Hoff's Homestead, which I'm really excited about. And they got these crusty old address numbers. You know, I'm like, how can we, you know, jazz this up and, you know, add a little flash to the front?
Yeah.
Sure.
Nice.
Well,
Well done.
I love how customizable it is, because you could paint the wood to match your house. You could stain it. You know, whatever decor you've got going on, the numbers can be custom to your scheme and your style. And then you could do different seasonal plantings.
You can.
Yeah.
It's year round, you know.
Yeah.
You can put little letters in there, you know. It's a lot of fun. And it's like I said, it's just one board. You can get a PARR lumber, no problemo. You know, piece of cake. Yeah, it's
Super
really
cool.
easy.
That's great.
Okay, so you're going to be giving one of these away. If you don't want a DIY and you want one of the fun ones that Shannon made herself, how can people enter?
You don't want this one?
You don't want that one?
I'll fix it up.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. But where can people
on
find
Facebook,
it?
right? You're doing a Facebook giveaway?
We're donating both of these to the Habitat for Humanity Restore.
Oh, fantastic.
Great. Well done.
That's
Well
great.
done. Yeah,
very,
it is.
very cool. Okay, so if you want to check this out for yourself, we're going to post the instructions, the materials, step by step, everything you need from Shannon on KOIN.com. You can go there for all the materials and be sure to follow Shannon on Facebook for more ideas and fun things to go check out.